Hi, this is Cheryl with Lisa Horton Crafts, and I'm here with some of Lisa's products to show you a super quick and easy card that you can make using these products from Lisa Horton. It's summer, we're all busy, but we all still need to make that card every now and again. And if you don't have a lot of time to get in your craft room, this card is going to be a great one for you to try. I'm using for today's project paper and dies, and I've got some pre-made sentiments, so it's going to go really quickly. Starting off, I've got from the Reviving the Arts and Craft Movement collection, I've got the Larkspur Foliage die set. For my sentiment, I have from the Wishing You Well stamp set and die set. I cut a couple of sentiments out, so I'll choose one of those. And then for my background, I use the Piece of My Heart embossing folder. So let me show you the sample that I made, and super quick and easy to get this one done. And this is a great one. You can change out the colors, you can change out embossing folders, but you can get this done in no time flat. So I've got a couple pieces of cardstock here. I've got some shimmer card and some foil. And I'm just going to take the two largest dies from the Larkspur Foliage to get these done. And there we go. And these two, lots of dies in this set, but we're going to focus on these two for this card. Get these off, and we're going to make our background the glitter card, and we'll make the leafy part with the foil. So I'm just going to run these through my die cut machine over here, and I'll be right back. Got the first one done. And let me pull in the second one. Okay, so I've got my two die cut pieces here, and pull that down, pull this off. I love the detail on this die, and when you cut it with the foil, you really get to see how pretty this die is. Of course, it's pretty with colored paper too, but that foil, this foil cardstock really does highlight all of the detail that's in this die. Trying to get that off. There we go. So there is our die cut, and I try to angle it so you can see that detail. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so let me get this out of the way. And then I'll bring in, this is an A2 card. So I've got an A2 card base and my sentiment. And I'm just going to go ahead. I've got a black matte for this one. So you can use any color combination on this. I love really simple designs, and then you can just change up the look with color using different colors. I've got another sample that I'll show you. I used basically the same color set though, but I did add a few little pieces to it, but it's all, I'm going to put this on a piece of white paper so you can see better, and I can see better too. There we go. Put that down. Get our little little border. Try and get that straight. Oops. Okay, this will probably take the longest thing of all of this, making this card. So if you bypass this little teeny border, you can even save more time. But I love that little hint of black on there. And so we're just going to put this onto our card base. And I'm going to use some tape for that as well. Oops, we're running out of tape here. Oh, I think that one's shot. Go with this one. And just get that around all the perimeter. Super fast. Put this down onto, now I can get rid of this paper actually. I got crooked eyes today. There we go. Border down. You know what's crooked is this piece. That's why I'm having trouble. See if I can pull that up. I don't know. I might be stuck with my crooked. Oh no, we can make it. Very good. I'm glad I didn't burnish that yet. And try and get that. Let's get this piece on here first. Just start all over, why don't we? Okay. Now I'll get that down. And then we'll add this piece. Oh, I keep moving. What's going on? Here we go. There. Okay, and then all we need to do is add our 2 die cuts, and we'll be able to call this one down. I'm going to put this piece down first. I'm going to use glue for it, just because it's going down on that texture, on that background. But you could foam mount this too if you wanted. But I'm just going with keep it super simple, keep it fast. And we'll add this onto our front panel. And let that catch. And then on this part, I'm only going to put the glue down here at the base. And I'm going to leave those upper leaves kind of free flowing. So if you're going to mail this card, you want to make sure you put another piece of cardstock over top or glue it all the way down. But I like having that little lift on those leaves. Such a pretty set. And I need to give it time because it's on that glitter paper. Super easy. This really is a 10-minute card. You can have this done in no time, especially if you like me. I have sentiments that I always have pre-cut. I've got a bin full of them, and just grab a sentiment and a couple of die cuts, emboss your folder, and you're done. Super quick and super easy. And then I'll just put this sentiment down here like that. And make sure that's straight before it gets set. Yeah, there we go. Actually, I'll put that on there. And while that one is setting, I'll show you the other one that I made using the same. I used a couple more pieces from that same set. I added black and the copper on cream, and then this is the smaller, these dies. Let me bring the dies over. These three dies here for that. And then I added a little thread, and then this is the stamp from the Floral Wishes Studio collection. So really quick and easy cards that you can make, and they take no time at all. So if you're looking for something super fast and easy that looks like you spent more time on it than you did, give this design a try. Thank you so much for being here. I hope that you're having a fantastic summer so far, and we will see you next time. Bye for now.